Hi guys, what's up and thanks for joining. Today I will share with you the tutorial of this makeup look, and it is the recreation of the look of GIGI Hadid in MET GALA 2021. I like this look so much that I have decided to recreate it as soon as possible. Now GIGI has little shimmery eyes with glossy lips, but my one is absolutely matte because I don't have that blue colored eyeshadow in my vanity in metallic finish. So I stick to matte, and all the products that I have used are affordable drugstore products. Hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and for more from my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Love you guys, and let's start the makeup. Now for the makeup, skin prep is very essential, and I have prepped my skin very well. So now I'll jump to my primer. And today I'm going to use this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer, and I'm applying it on the places of my face where I have some uneven texture. Now I'm using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunblock. Now this sunscreen gives a little bit white cast, but under the foundation it is absolutely okay, and it acts as a very good primer. Then I'm using this Maybelline Stove Cream in the shade Pink, and I'm applying it on the cheeks position to have an extra glow there. For foundation, I'm mixing these two foundations today, Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade number 5 and Nykaa Stick Foundation in the shade number 7. My Milani foundation is a little bit oxidized now, so I'm mixing it with the dark foundation, and it gives me perfect full coverage. For concealer, I'm using this Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm applying it on the places where I need some extra coverage. Now I'll list all the products in the description box below, so if you have any confusion, please check the description box. Now to set the face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade number 50 Light. Now I have forget to take the picture of this product, but it is very common, so I hope you will recognize it very easily. Then I'm using this Lakme 3D Brow Pencil in the shade Graphite to fill my brows. Now I have done a tutorial on brow filling, so if you want to know how I fill my brows, please go to the link. And then I'm using this Wet n Wild clear mascara to set my brow hair. And now today I'm using this NYX eyeshadow palette Bryce, and I'm going to use that blue shadow. It is a matte shade, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. Now first I'm setting my eyelid with some loose powder, and then I will pack this eyeshadow on the whole upper eyelid, and I'm extending this shadow towards the inner corner a little bit. Then I'm taking this lavender shade there, and with that shadow I'm just blending the outer edge of that blue shadow. Now I'm using another palette, and it is Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, and I'm taking that shimmery white shade. This is number 9 shade, and its name is Ice Cloud. Now all the names are printed in the plastic page for this palette, and I'm applying it on the inner corner and extending this shadow a little bit on the lower eyelid. Then I'm taking this brown matte shade, and it is number 17 Latte, and I'm applying it on the lower eyelid. Now I'm taking this eyeliner pen from Colorbar, and I have to do the most difficult part of my makeup, drawing wings on my hooded eyes. Now I first draw the two lines for the wing, then I fill the gap between that two lines to make that wing. After that, I'm joining that wing to the inner corner of my eyes with a thin line. Now I'm not happy how my brows are set by this Wet n Wild clear mascara, so I'm using another brow gel. It is from ELF, and it is in the shade Neutral Brown. Then I'm again using this concealer, Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, to clean my brow bone. Now I'm using this foundation stick from Makeup Revolution. It is in the shade F15, and using this dark brown shade foundation, I'm drawing a line on my lower waterline, and I'm extending this line a little bit on the outer edge just below the wings, and I'm keeping a little gap in between wings and the line. Then I'm joining this line with the eyeliner line at the inner corner, and I'm extending this line a little bit towards the inner corner. See? Then I'm using this concealer stick from Faces Canada in the shade 01 Light, and using this I'm drawing a small line in between the eyeliner and the brown line, and this shade of concealer is very close to my skin complexion, so I am using another concealer, Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain, and I am drawing that line. Now don't take white line, then it will be very prominent. We need a subtle line for this look. Then I'm hitting my curler to curl my lash, and then I'm using Faces Canada mascara. Now I'm going to use lashes later. Then I'm using L'Oreal Back to bronze my face. Now for this makeup I don't want very sharp contouring or bronzing, so I have taken this medium shade bronzer. Now I'm using Milani Prep+set +glow powder on my under eye area to have some extra brightness there. Now this is a very good powder for that purpose. For blush I'm using Milani powder blush in the shade Coral Cove, and it is a beautiful coral blush with a hint of pink, and it is absolutely matte blush. Now to line my lips, I am today using Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Now for my upper lip, I generally go a little bit outside, and for my lower lip, I follow the natural lip line. Now to fill the lips, I am today using Faces Canada Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Spice Latte, and it is a beautiful warm brown shade. Then I am using this MAC liquid lip color in the shade Burnt Spice over the top of that lip color to make it a little more lighter. Now today I am using another lip color. Oh my god, this is Nykaa Ultra Matte in the shade Mona Lisa, and I am using it on the inner part of my lower lip, and then I am topping it again with the MAC Burnt Spice lip color. Then it is the setting spray, that is NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Now guys, I am applying that same shimmery white shade from this Makeup Revolution palette, the name of which Ice Cloud number 9, and I am applying it on the brow bone position. Then it is the highlighter time, and today I am using e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Now for this look, I will not apply too much highlighter, just a little bit. Now today I am using PAC 213 lashes with the Miss Clear Lash Glue, and then a little more setting spray. So guys, this is the final look, and I'm really very happy how this look has turned out. Now this is the look of GIGI Hadid in MET Gala 2021, and if you like this look, then surely give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me guys, and if you want to stay connected with me for more this kind of content of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Love you so much guys, and see you soon in the next video. Bye guys.